Let's see how to make Andhra style veg pulao. Take cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, star anise, 1 cup of bud, some nutmeg, mace, poppy seeds, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, stone flour, cut up ginger, garlic, coconut bits, juicy tomatoes, coriander leaves, and some mint leaves in a mixer jar and grind them all well. Add some water and grind it all to a nice fine paste. Keep it aside once done. Now take a deep pot and pour some ghee. Add bay leaves, cashew nuts, chopped onions, green chilies, potatoes, cauliflowers, carrots, beans, green peas, 1 teaspoon rock salt, and 1 tablespoon of water to cook the vegetables for about 5 minutes. Then add the ground masala paste, mix it all well, and cook for 10 more minutes. Add the soaked basmati rice and give it all a quick mix. Pour 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice, mix again, and add salt if required. Cook for 15 minutes, and that's it. Andhra veg pulao is ready to be served hot and nice.